You are again most welcome in one and another special episode of One Word Substitution. Not to be moved by entreaty, not to be moved by entreaty. This is called inexorable, inexorable. Inexorable, inexorable. This is called haughty. This is an adjective. That which cannot be put out, that which cannot be put out. This is called inextinguishable, inextinguishable. inextinguishable, inextinguishable. This is an adjective एंड इसे कहा जाता है हिंदी में जिसे बुझाया ना जा सके. वन हु कैनॉट मेक मिस्टेक, one who cannot make mistake. This is called infallible, infallible. infallible, infallible. This is an infallible. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे अचूक कहा जाता है. The crime of killing a baby, the crime of killing a baby. This is called infanticide, infanticide. infanticide, infanticide. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे शिशु हत्या कहा जाता है. नॉट लिमिटेड बाय नंबर, नॉट लिमिटेड बाय नंबर. दिस इज कॉल्ड इनफेनाइट, INFINITE, इनफेनाइट. दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. हिंदी में इसे अनंत कहा जाता है. ए प्लेस इन ए लार्ज इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर द केयर ऑफ दोज हु आर इल. ए प्लेस इन ए लार्ज इंस्टीट्यूशन for the care of those who are ill. This is called infirmary, 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 infirmary. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे अस्पताल कहा जाता है. That can burn, catches fire easily, that can burn, catches fire easily. This is called inflammable, INFLAMMABLE, inflammable. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे ज्वलनशील कहा जाता है. A cluster of flowers, a cluster of flowers on a branch, a cluster of flowers on a branch. This is called inflorescence, inflorescence. This is called pushpaguch. The money, property, etc. that you receive from somebody when he dies. The money, property, etc. that which you receive from somebody who when he dies. This is called inheritance, inheritance, INHERITANC, inheritance. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे विरासत कहा जाता है. causing no harm, causing no harm, CAUSING, causing no harm. This is called innocuous. This is called innocuous, INNOCUOUS, innocuous. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे हानिकर कहा जाता है. An indirect reference, an indirect reference, an indirect reference. This is called innuendo, 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 innuendo. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे इशारा, गलत भावना कहा जाता है. That which cannot be satisfied, that which cannot be satisfied. This is called insatiable. This is called insatiable, INSATIBLE, insatiable. This is an adjective. हिंदी में इसे लालची कहा जाता है. Write or carve words on stone or paper, write or carve words on stone or paper. This is called inscribe, INSCRIB, inscribe. This is a verb. हिंदी में इसे अंकित करना कहा जाता है. Words carved on a stone or monument, words carved on a stone or a monument. This is called inscription. This is called inscription, INSCRIPTION, inscription. This is a noun. हिंदी में इसे शिलालेख कहा जाता है. Being unable to pay one's debt, being unable to pay one's debt. This is called insolvent, insolvent, insolvent. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे दिवालिया कहा जाता है. The condition of being unable to sleep over a period of time. The condition of being unable to sleep over a period of time. This is called insomnia, insomnia, insomnia. ये एक नाउन है, हिंदी में इसे अनिद्रा कहा जाता है. Covered with a material or substance in order to stop heat, sound, etc. from entering or escaping. Covered with a material or substance in order to stop heat, sound, etc. from entering or escaping. This is called insulated, insulated, insulated. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे विद्युत रोधित कहा जाता है, विद्युत रोधित. Rebellious or opposing the authority, rebellious or opposing the authority. This is called insurgent, this is called insurgent. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे विद्रोही कहा जाता है. That which cannot be perceived by touch, that which cannot be perceived by touch. This is called intangible, 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 intangible. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अस्पृश्य कहा जाता है. Combine to form a whole, combine to form a whole. This is called integrate, this is called integrate, integrate, integrate. This is a integrate, integrate. ये हिंदी में, this is a noun, हिंदी में इसे कहा जाता है संगठित करना. The quality of being honest and having strong moral principle. The quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. This is called integrity, 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 integrity. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे अखंडता कहा जाता है. One who interferes in the affairs of others, often for selfish reasons. One who interferes in the affairs of others, often for selfish reasons. This is called interpolar. This is called interloper. Sorry, this is called interloper. 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 This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे घुसपैठिया कहा जाता है. Interval between two events. Interval between two events. This is called interlude. Interlude, interlude, interlude. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे मध्यांतर कार्यक्रम कहा जाता है. One who intervenes between two or more parties to settle differences. One who intervenes between two or more parties to settle differences. This is called intermediary, intermediary, intermediary. This is an adjective and the Hindi of it is madhyasth. The act of burying a dead person, the act of burying a dead person. This is called interment, 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 interment. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे दफन कहा जाता है. Continuing for a very long time, continuing for a very long time. This is called interminable, 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 interminable. This is an adjective, हिंदी में इसे अनंतकालीन कहा जाता है. The act of confining someone in a prison, the act of confining someone in a prison. This is called internment, internment, internment. This is a noun, हिंदी में इसे नज़रबंदी कहा जाता है. Estimate the value of, estimate the value of. This is called interpolate, interpolate, interpolate. This is a verb, हिंदी में इसे अनुमान लगाना कहा जाता है. Place or insert between one thing and another. Place or insert between one thing or another. This is called interpose, 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 interpose. This is a verb, हिंदी में इसे घुसाना कहा जाता है. This is all about today's special episode of one word substitution. Thanks, regards.